Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to troubleshoot RAM stick issues. First, recognize common signs of a problem, such as frequent system crashes or the dreaded blue screen of death. Next, always check that your RAM sticks are correctly and firmly seated in their motherboard slots. Sometimes, simply reseating them can resolve connectivity issues. Also, use a soft cloth and compressed air to clean the gold contacts on your RAM and the slots themselves, removing any dust or debris. Once you've performed initial checks, it's time to test your RAM. If you have multiple sticks, test each one individually in different slots to pinpoint the problematic module or slot. Windows offers a built-in memory diagnostic tool that can help. For a more comprehensive analysis, consider using a dedicated third-party program like MemTest86, which runs extensive tests to identify errors. These tools are crucial for confirming if a RAM stick is truly failing. If testing confirms a RAM stick is faulty, the only way to fix it is through replacement. RAM modules are complex electronic components and are not designed for repair if they have physical damage or internal failures. When replacing, ensure the new RAM's type, speed, and capacity are compatible with your motherboard. Always buy from a trusted vendor to guarantee quality and benefit from any warranty, protecting your investment. To prevent future RAM issues, always handle modules carefully by their edges to avoid electrostatic discharge, which can cause damage. Good airflow within your computer case is also vital to prevent overheating, a common cause of component failure. Finally, keep your motherboard's BIOS updated. Manufacturers often release updates that improve RAM compatibility and system stability, helping your memory perform optimally for longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.